If you are trying to remove odor from your fridge, here are some home remedies you can try to get rid of an odor from a stinky fridge. First of all, remove any spoiled and expired food that may be causing the odor. Make sure to store your food in an airtight container and maintain good hygiene and cleanliness in your fridge. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is very good at absorbing odors. It neutralizes and eliminates unpleasant smells. Put baking soda on an open dish and place it on one of the shelves in your fridge. Leave it in the fridge for a couple of days to absorb the unpleasant smells. 3. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is highly porous and has the ability to trap and eliminate odors effectively. Place a bowl of activated charcoal in your fridge and let it sit for a few days to absorb the odors. 4. Coffee grounds. Coffee grounds is a natural deodorizer that help in neutralizing stinky smells. Place the coffee grounds in a bowl and place them in your fridge. Leave them for a few days to absorb the odors. 5. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is commonly known as a flavoring agent in baking, but it can also be used in masking fridge unpleasant odors. Put a cotton ball or a piece of cloth soaked in a vanilla extract in your fridge and see how those unpleasant odor will disappear. Replace the vanilla cotton ball every few days for a lasting result. 6. Citrus peels. Citrus peels have a refreshing scent that can help in neutralizing fridge odors. Place some citrus peels in your fridge for a refreshing aroma. 7. White vinegar. White vinegar is known for its deodorizing properties and can help eliminate unpleasant smells. Put a bowl of white vinegar in our fridge to remove any unpleasant odor. If you learn anything from this video, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and put on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload videos.